এদিনে স্টুডেন্ট কেরিয়ার কাউন্সেলিং ইভেন্ট অনুষ্ঠান হয়ে গেল কলকাতার এক হোটেলে। জৈন ইউনিভার্সিটি ব্যাঙ্গালোরের উদ্যোগে আয়োজিত এই স্টুডেন্ট কেরিয়ার কাউন্সেলিংয়ে বহু ছাত্রছাত্রী অংশগ্রহণ করেন। বিভিন্ন ভাগের মাধ্যমে প্রার্থীদের ইউজি, পিজি, ভ্যাকেশনাল, পিএইচডি এবং অন্যান্য কোর্সের ভর্তির জন্য অন্যান্য সুযোগ এনে দিয়েছে জৈন। ডিজাইন, ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং, বিসিএ, এমবিএ, এমসিএ, এমকম, ফাইন আর্টস, ম্যানেজমেন্ট এবং অন্যান্য কোর্সের স্কিম রয়েছে। জৈন ডিম্যাট টুবি ইউনিভার্সিটি 1990 সালে প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয়েছিল। এনবিএ এবং এনএএসি দ্বারা A++ গ্রেড দ্বারা স্বীকৃত। এদিনের কাউন্সিলিংয়ে এমন বহু ছাত্রছাত্রীদের কেরিয়ার সুনিশ্চিত করতে কাজের সুযোগ এনে দিতে চলেছে জৈন ইউনিভার্সিটি। পাশাপাশি রয়েছে স্কলারশিপের সুযোগ। ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, কলকাতা টুডে নিউজ।
The main reason is one, we wanted to say what our university is offering across the globe and what are the different programs available with us where students can get benefited. And especially many students are not aware of certain technologies or certain programs which are happening in multiple universities. So we wanted to interact with the students and we wanted to educate them what kind of certifications, what kind of technologies we are into and what kind of projects they can explore part of. No, we wanted to also tell them that we are into NEP, which many students are not aware of that. We wanted to give the information about the NEP. We also wanted to tell them what kind of certifications they get and whenever they do a multiple exit and multiple entry kind of thing. We give them the information about the academic credit bank, where students will have the flexibility to take the courses from multiple universities and gain those credits back into the university and get the degree from that. So that information is missing and students are not aware of that, which we wanted to pitch in and give the information. Fee structure we'll be able to give uh, for the programs, but for certain certifications student need not to pay any other fee separately for that. There are certain programs as part of Jain University where we will assure them a guaranteed internship and paid internships also, which is ranging, students can gain up to 1.5 lakh throughout their degree part of their program which they are doing it. There are certain internships which we tie up with the industries and we give them as a guaranteed internship. But there may not be a payment, but there will be a guaranteed internship where they can gain the experience of industry before they graduate. We go with a term called graduate from your program with 1 year of experience before you get into the market. Do have scholarship, but it all depends on what is the score they are going to secure as part of Jain entrance test. Student can attempt for Jain entrance test, and based on a marks or based on a rank, what they have got it, will be able to tell them what percentage of scholarship they'll be eligible. To gain the scholarship as part of Jain entrance test, they should get at least 60% of the marks out of 100. They can visit our website. There's a automated chatbot available. There is a process for applying also. Recently, the next entrance test is going to happen. I believe it 15th of June. We are going to have an entrance test, another round of entrance tests. Whoever is interested, they can apply for those courses and they can take the entrance test. Otherwise, they can also reach out our counselors. They can take the contact numbers and they will be able to help them. We're in 6 different domains. One is on engineering, one is on MBA, applied sciences, and one is on humanities. We also offer research programs as part of our universities. There are centers dedicated for research who wanted to do their postdoc or let's say research fellowships, kind of junior research fellowship. We have openings for that also. It varies. There is a 3-year degree program, 2-year degree program, and 4-year degree program. Engineering usually go for the 2 years. Masters go for 2 years. Engineering goes for 4 years, and masters goes for the 2 years. As I said, for the students also, you name it, any company, they are there in our campus.
हाँ बिल्कुल ले सकता है। जो 10 लाख का जो स्कॉलरशिप वो है पॉलिसी है, वो हर किसी के लिए है ना। वो जो स्टेट देती है ना, उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए, इसके लिए ये होना चाहिए कि यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो एलिजिबल होना चाहिए। तो अगर मैं जैन यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करूँ तो ये एनआईआरएफ रैंकिंग इसके टॉप 100 में आता है ना। आई थिंक 66 एनआईआरएफ रैंकिंग है। एंड दूसरा नैक में एक्रेडिशन मिलता है। तो नैक में एक्रेडिशन जैन को नैक में A++ मिला हुआ है, जो कि बहुत रेयर होता है। मतलब आप अगर पूरे इंडिया में देखेंगे तो ओनली 2 to 3% जो इंस्टीट्यूट होगा जिसको कि नैक में A++ मिला हुआ है ना। तो ये कुछ पैरामीटर्स होते हैं जिनके बिहाफ पे जो गवर्नमेंट जो है वो स्टूडेंट को एक काइंड ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप देती है जिससे कि स्टूडेंट जो है आगे की हायर